welcome back to Nintendo Minute.
Whoa!
Look at the spread.
Something's happening.
Wonderful. We really hope that you guys have been enjoying your island lives now that the 2.0 update is out. Yeah. And one of the things that we're really excited about is the cooking. Because you guys know we like to cook on Nintendo
We've done
Minute.
so many cooking videos on Nintendo Minute. It feels like we just had to do another.
In a million Nintendo Minutes, we've been making sushi. And then you need some spices. It smells really good. It smells so good.
So we're gonna do minestrone, which is a wonderful soup.
Yum.
And the veggie sandwich.
This is very healthy.
This is a complete meal.
We're gonna go minestrone first.
Yes.
In the game, the 3 ingredients they tell you is tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots.
Ta-da!
So what are we gonna do first? Tell me.
Well, we need to start cutting all these vegetables.
Vegetable prep.
If you're a longtime Nintendo Minute fan, you might remember
know
this knife.
Where that knife is from, where you got it from. Onion.
Celery.
Yeah, let's start prepping vegetables. I'm gonna start thinly slicing the garlic.
Very what?
The sound of it is very rhythmic. But I guess
we
if
need
you're
flavor.
Exactly, flavor your lives, everyone. All right, so I got this going.
All right, so you got that.
What's
next?
Cut some.
Got the carrots.
Carrots are like rolling.
Oh my gosh.
Rolling away. I'm taking your rustic approach here and just sort of, you know,
just chunks.
Chunks.
That's all you need.
Chunks.
All right.
Now we've also cut an onion on
we did?
Nintendo Minute before.
On,
we had a
overcooked. See, that was where technique did matter.
It was technique and time. Roll the tape, guys. What do you mean?
Because an onion has these layers.
This is how you're supposed to cut the onion.
And for the sake of drama, I'll let you have this one.
What is this?
Yeah.
What is this piece? We have it on
I guess
video.
we don't need any more salt in the minestrone. Yeah, let's get the pot ready here. Whoa.
Turn on the
stove.
stove.
We got the fire going here.
Got it down a little.
Not too hot, you know? You don't want to
hot.
burn anything.
We're gonna start with a little oil.
Good.
A little means like half the bottle.
All right.
It'd be great if I could see over this counter into this pot. So that's one thing.
All right. I think that's going to be enough onion for us.
Can you hit me with some S&P, please?
Certainly. From a great. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. You don't want to overdo it right now, you know?
No, you want to season as you go.
Right.
That's another thing I learned from my mother.
Oh.
Who taught me how to cook.
So we just want those to get a little soft.
Yeah, let's cook them down a little bit.
And then we'll add, what will be next?
I always
Carrots?
add carrots,
Yeah.
Do you want to chop the celery too?
Yeah, let's just get all of this in.
The way to do it is just scoop it off that cutting board.
Oh!
Celery
overboard.
down.
Oh no!
Action. Did you have a thought earlier when I was cutting garlic that it could have been Garl? It's getting a little meta, but you know.
I would rather not think of Garl anymore. I know Garl a little too well.
Ew. We can maybe hit it with a little bit more S&P, or at least a little bit more S.
Already?
Well, you just added a whole bunch of stuff to it.
If you say so.
You need more S. You know me.
So.
Oh yeah, this
looks
good.
Pretty much now we've got all these vegetables in.
And all the Animal Crossing, the things that are in the actual recipe for the game is in the pot.
We've got this kind of crushed tomato here.
Yep.
That's going to go in.
That's going to help with the broth.
We've got a kidney bean.
Those are very good.
We've got some little pasta bits.
Oh, you know what we need to do?
Huh?
We each also have a secret ingredient
We do.
that we're putting in.
Would you like to reveal yours now?
Yeah, I
Okay.
would actually. Let me
Please
go
tell me.
get it. And
All right,
my
I'll
secret
tend-
stash is gone.
I'll tend to this.
It's over here.
Go,
I'm gonna
please.
go off camera.
Off camera. Goodbye.
Okay.
It's the moment I've always dreamed of.
Hey,
It's just me.
I can still see you from where I am.
So what do you have?
I have.
I don't like the look of this at all.
I have a
I knew it would be.
a very small,
But what is
but
it?
very powerful chili pepper.
But what kind of chili is this?
This is a Thai chili pepper.
Do I need to sign like a waiver or something?
Maybe drink a gallon of milk after. I'm just kidding. I actually grew this in my garden.
Let's just put a little bit of that in.
I was gonna just dice a little bit of that and just kind of sprinkle it in there to give it a little, you know.
Oh my gosh.
That. What is this? What is the word for this? You know what I'm talking about?
Pizzazz?
Thank you. Wow, you really did know the word for it. Pizzazz. It's very small, and it's in a large volume of.
See, now this cutting board is tainted.
It's gonna be spicy.
And you thought your hands were tainted before. Now they're really.
I'm gonna dice it up really small so no one gets like a mouthful of. I'm stepping away from the knife.
Oh boy.
You're gonna sneeze if you smell it that closely.
I'm worried.
You're worried?
I'm worried. I'm scared.
You should be.
I'll go grab my secret ingredient while you do that.
He said not to put the whole thing in. I just put the whole thing in.
See, again, I know you love salt, and so these are capers, which are very. Maybe you'd like to taste one of these. And I'm not going to use all these. I'm just gonna chop these up.
Oh, I love capers.
And that's going to give it quite a bit of salty.
No wonder you were all reluctant when I
punch.
asked you to put more salt
Yeah,
in.
because you didn't know what you were doing, I'm afraid.
Well, I can smell the fragrance of the chili pepper now.
So many chances for tears.
Oh my gosh, you know what we forgot to do? We're so
What?
dumb.
What?
We forgot to cut the tomato up.
Do you want this knife? Is that knife gonna
That's okay.
cut it?
Oh. Tomatoes will just kind of cook down anyway, you know, into the liquid. Yeah. But it's nice to have
It's nice to have some
like chunks of tomato because you have tomato puree, right? So that won't.
Crushed tomatoes. Excuse you. They're different.
Okay. Oh.
No, it's good. It's good.
It's perfect. Okay.
Oh, we have our beans too.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be hearty.
This is a hearty minestrone. Yeah. Do you think it looks like what it looks like in the game?
I think it absolutely does. I think it absolutely does.
I think we did a good job.
And we have one more ingredient.
We're gonna put that in.
Which we're gonna add this a little later.
You don't want your pasta to be like glue in the soup. A couple
well, we can move on to our next item. I think while we
simmer this thing, right?
Okay.
So we have kind of a variety of veggies. This is very good. This is.
Well, again, our required ingredients though.
Oh yeah.
Carrots, tomatoes, same as this, and also
flour.
I said flour. I mean, we didn't bake this bread, but we got some bread.
Yeah. Really good bread.
This is gonna be great.
Yeah. The carrots are special, actually.
Well, I mean, you think veggie sandwich, like, oh, that's boring, that's gonna be bland, but no.
Not this one.
We're ready.
Everyone.
These are spicy pickled carrots. Your secret ingredient
is a pickled garlic.
Great.
Which is also going to be delicious in here.
Yeah, we've got this nice mustard here. And then we also have hummus. So
this is your pickled ingredient.
Right,
your
secret ingredient is hummus.
Yeah.
So this is going to be really something.
Quite the tasty sandwich.
So
we're going to start
once
slicing.
again, we're slicing some veggies.
So we got this all
Good.
chopped.
Why don't we do a minestrone check while we're kind of in between.
Let's do that.
Ooh, very rustic.
Like looking chunky.
But it's not done.
No,
by no stretch of the imagination.
The vegetables aren't soft yet.
It smells good. I would ask you to smell, but you can't lean over this table.
I can't. Too far. Waft it towards me.
Oh, the waft.
Waft it.
Double wafting.
Ooh, it smells good.
Yes.
All right.
Dry enough?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so.
Approved?
Approved. You know, I'm so excited about the cooking that's in Animal Crossing now because I have that whole area in Christopia, which is like the
restaurants
district.
Right.
So now I can like actually make recipes for it. Oh, that's a good bread knife.
Yeah.
Nice. But it's really soft and it smells
so. It smells fantastic.
Wow. It's gonna be good.
All right. So what is our order of application?
Hummus.
One side hummus, one side
mustard.
One side mustard. You know what we don't have here too?
That's the top.
What?
Oh, wait, just kidding.
Oh my goodness. Why?
Sorry.
I was just about to make a very important point.
What is it?
There's one ingredient that we don't have here today, won't even find in our kitchen.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. No.
That's a Nintendo Minute no-no.
That's a big no-no. No. I have a big idea.
Ooh.
You can do this in a
crisscross
crisscrossing
fashion?
fashion. Whoa, don't have any more meltdowns. All right.
No, just kidding.
So first,
cucumbers.
oh, I'm doing this. Okay.
Put the pasta in and add a little bit more chicken broth.
We'll put this in first. All right. But would not the S&P be nice on the tomatoes?
Okay, fine.
I think
S&P
it
the
would be.
tomatoes.
Yes, it's happening.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Great. I'll let you apply that. I'll just get out of the way.
Get out of the way. Yeah.
We're gonna top it off.
Mustard.
Getting our mustard ready here. Oh my gosh, it's coming out already. And then it'd be good to stir it. Yeah.
Stir it, make sure the pasta doesn't stick to anything.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm not ready.
You're not ready.
I'm ready.
All right,
Watching.
here we go.
Uh-huh.
Keep it intact.
Yes. Doing the thing? Yeah, I do the thing.
Okay.
This is like professional.
Salt is one syllable. S is also one syllable. Its proper name is salt. This is a perfect fall meal right here.
It is.
It really is.
There's gonna be a lot of soup that we're gonna be eating.
Producer Jasmine's like, I ate just before this. I'm good.
I think producer Jasmine will quite enjoy this. What about producer Ryan? Producer Ryan's like salivating over there. It's funny. We have the sandwiches plated, beautiful. And then we're gonna dish our soup out right now. We ready?
The soup?
For the final look?
Let's check it out. It's looking great.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's very nice.
Wow. A little bit of everything in there, yeah. Garden fresh.
That's so good. Yum.
This really is the perfect fall meal.
Look at
right
this.
Here.
And it's so healthy. Look at how many vegetables you're eating right now.
It's a lot of vegetables.
But they taste good.
Yeah.
Well, we're so excited that the 2.0 update is out.
We're playing it. We're
We're
loving
playing
it.
it. We're so inspired that we made these recipes in real life. We hope that you guys try them. Maybe there's like other ones that we can create in real life.
We'll make them all, yeah.
We'll make them all, yes. We'll do like a whole marathon. But yeah, we had so much fun today making all of these delicious recipes. We're gonna eat now because we're really hungry. We'll see you later. And remember,
Nintendo Minute's never a minute.
see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.